Right, so good afternoon. We are now going to discuss our next lesson. It's chapter 3 pa rin, History, Globalization, Values, and Values-Based Leadership for our Principles of Management subject. Now we go to chapter 3.4, which is talks about global trends. So, we have top trends, top 5 challenges trends. Okay? One would be increasing concern for the environment. So as part of the industry, okay, we have to also think of the working environment that we have. Okay? So yung pinagtatrabahuan natin, hindi naman basta magkaroon ka ng trabaho, okay na tayo. Minsan it will uh, give lower uh, risk of having employee turnover pag maganda ang environment natin. Okay? So, triple bottom line, the benchmark of how companies benefit. Una, profit. Okay? Through profit, nagbe-benefit ang companies. Through employees, nagbe-benefit din ang companies because of they're the ones dealing with the operation. Okay? And also, environment as a whole. So, even the environment, pag maganda ang environment inside the organization, maganda ang takbo ng operation. Pero if hindi maganda ang takbo ng operation or ng environment natin or the environment of the company as a whole, may tendency magkakaroon mas marami ang gaya yung sinasabi ko kanina, mas marami ang magiging turnover or employee turnover. Bakit? Kasi hindi sila nagiging masaya sa trabaho. Okay? So we have to make sure we as managers, we have to make sure na we provide the best environment for our employees in order for them to stay and for order for the company to gain their loyalty, okay, as a whole. Now, another would be greater personalization and customization. Okay, consumers are demanding more say in products and services. Okay, kamukha nung sinabi ko in the catering, sa discussion ko kanina. Okay, um, consumers are becoming more demanding. Okay, so nagiging mas demanding ang mga consumers ngayon, especially nowadays. Okay, kung minsan nga parang ang ginagawa nila, gusto na lang nila makalibre. Okay, or masulit, sobrang masulit yung binabayad nila sa mga sa products or services na kukuhanin nila. Okay? We have to make sure that we do personalization. Okay? We do personalization sa mga products and services natin. Ito yung tinatawag nilang meron kang hands-on. Okay? Or parang uh, parang meron kang touch, a personal touch dun sa mga products and services mo. So, kamukha ng, let's say for example, ang Starbucks, meron silang personal touch when it comes to their service. When they are calling the names of the guest or the customer na nag-order pag isa-serve na yung mga drinks nila. Okay, tinatawag nila by name. Okay, which is a very good thing para sa company. Bakit? Or para sa mga customers din. Bakit? Kasi they're asking for or uh, they felt that they are welcome and they feel that they are being respected totally because of they're not just calling them by sir or ma'am, they're calling them by names kasi mas masarap yung tawagin ka sa pangalan mo. Okay, so ganun ang ginagawa nila. That's their personalization and customization of their products and services. Now, greater personalization and one size no longer fits all, and that means tailoring products and services to meet specific customer preference. Dati, kung ano nyo, matatandaan ninyo, ano yan, very much common yan sa mga product ng damit. Okay, especially sa mga girls, okay, meron siyang one size fits all. Okay, so one size lang siya, it fits small, medium, and large. Okay, but Nowadays, when it comes to the product of the industry, ay, or whatever product you have or whatever services you have, hindi na siya pwedeng one size fits all. Bakit? Kasi nagbabago ang preference ng mga clients at mga customers natin. So, you have to make sure you tailor your own products and services to meet the specific preferences of the customer. Okay, kailangan meron kang personal or personal touch dun sa product na gagawin mo, para ma-satisfy mo every customer. Remember that our customer have different satisfaction level. Okay, so that's one of the trend. Okay, another, or still on the personalization and customization, even something simple such as Tide laundry detergent can come in hundreds of potential variants in terms of formulation, powder, liquids, tablets, additives, whitener, softener, enzymes, fragrance, unscented, mountain fresh, floral, and package sizes, single load, laundromat sizes to massive family economy sizes. Okay? So, this is sample of customization of the product. Okay? So, instead of having one product, gumagawa sila ng iba't ibang variants, with different formulation as well. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga kamukha yan, yung example niya, yung mga panlaba, gumagawa sila ng mga iba't ibang mga variants na pwede siyang powder, pwede siyang liquid, pwede siyang tablet, okay? Or meron siyang mga additives na meron siyang whitener, softener, or enzymes that enhances the product. And of course, kailangan if you enhance the product, it has a result also, especially kung ito yung product mo, yung mga detergents. Okay, so that's customization. Okay, and then customization in the growing numbers of product means managing more services and more products. Okay, yun nga lang, this is the downfall of it, kasi when you customize, when you do variations of products, okay, kailangan mo ng mas maraming services, or kasi more services, more product. Okay, kailangan mo ng maraming employee, okay, to do that. Okay, or sometimes kung kaya naman ng mga konting employee, okay, ang tendency baka ma-burn down naman sila. So ang mangyari, hindi na sila maging masaya kasi lagi na lang silang napapagod dahil sa sobrang dami ng product naman. Okay, so you have to make sure you create a good strategy for that. Okay, and then another top 5 challenge trend: faster pace of innovation, new models, new products, and new variation. Companies are speeding new products to market in response to customer demands. One good example of this faster pace innovation is the gadgets, or yung sabihin na natin mga cellphones. Okay? Dati ang Nokia is the number one producer of cellphone, tama? Nung mga sinaunang panahon, nag-start yan sa mga keypad, or nag-start ang mga cellphone dun sa mga di antenna pa. Okay, may mga antenna, yung mga malalaki. Hanggang sa pinaliit nila, tas nagkaroon ng keypad, pwede na mag-text. Okay? Not calls only, pwede na silang mag-text. And then, nagkaroon na ng LCD. Okay? Lumabas na yung mga touchscreens. Hanggang sa ngayon, ginagamit at paganda ng paganda ang mga cellphones ngayon. Okay? Especially yung mga nakadikit na mga functions nito. So, one good example ng mabilis magpalit ng product or magkaroon ng new products or new variations ng mga products is Samsung. Okay? Mabilis siya magpalit ng mga products niya. Even Nokia before, ganun siya. Agad meron na naman bago, new innovation, new products, new functions, yan. Okay? Dati isa lang ang camera, ngayon 4 na yung mga camera na nasa cellphone, tama ba? Okay, so yan ang mga bagong products ngayon. So padami na ng padami at padami na ng padami rin ang mga functions niya. So fast pace ang innovation ngayon. Especially ngayon, yung with regards to technology, napakataas or napakabilis ng pag-develop ng technology ngayon. Okay? Excuse me. So another would be increasing complexity, because we want more sustainability, more customization, and more innovation. Companies face growing complexity. Dahil dumadami na yung product, dumadami na yung variation, dumadami na yung customization, dumadami na yung innovation, nagiging complex na, nagiging komplikado na yung mga producers na company. So, kailangan na nilang mag-add ng mga departments, ng mga different departments. Okay, so it depends on the plan of the company. Okay, so nangyayari talaga yan. Kasi, parang let's say for example, sa pagkain lang, una, ang gusto mong ibenta is, sabihin na nating mami, sabihin na nating mami. Okay? Gusto mo lang ibenta is mami. Okay? Ano meron ng mami? So, may mga variations yan. Meron pwede mami, regular mami, mami with egg, mami with laman, mami with utak. Okay? Special mami. Okay? So, yan. Diyan pa lang marami na. Pero, mami pa rin yan. Okay? So, dumadami na. Ngayon, dahil nire-request or nagbabago yung trend ng mga ng mga product na yon, okay? Sumasabay ka ngayon. So, dadagdagan mo na siya ngayon ng pares. Lalagyan mo na ng pares. Okay? So, pares at saka rice. So, medyo nagiging, from the start, okay pa. Pero parang, the more na nagdadagdag ka ng mga variants or nagdadagdag ka ng ibang recipe sa menu mo, okay, mas nagiging masyadong komplikado na hindi nakakayanin ng isang tao. So, kakailanganin mo na ng mga workers para gawin yon. Okay? So, merong gagawa ng soup mo, merong gagawa ng pares mo, okay? Merong gagawa ng yung fried rice mo, okay? Para do sa mami, I mean do sa pares, okay? So, ganun yung nag-increase yung pagiging komplikado niya, pero nasa plano pa rin ng ng company on how to deal with that. Okay? That's a challenge for the company. Okay? Another challenge would be increasing competition for talent. Okay? We need people who can solve all these tough problems, and that's a challenge all by itself. Jobs are also getting more complex. Okay? Because of the changing environment, because of the changing trends, changing innovation, new products, new everything. Okay? Nagiging komplikado din yung mga job description ng mga tao. Okay? Lalo na ngayon, there are very much a few of the people na merong makikitaan mo ng talent. Okay? For that. Okay? That copes up easily with the changes. Okay? So, sobrang scarce nowadays. Lalo na ngayon, ang gusto ng mga tao, ang gusto ng mga bagong bagong graduate is yung madaling trabaho lang, which is wala tayong mahahanap na madaling trabaho. Lahat ng trabaho pinaghihirapan natin yan. Okay? It's just that mapupunta ka lang, depende yan kung anong magiging trabaho mo. So based from that, doon tayo magkakatalo. Pero nonetheless, okay, merong magbabago dyan. Ikaw dapat you have to know how to adapt and go by the trend, by the new trend or the new flow of the business. Okay? So yan. So increasing of competition for talent, madami pong naghahanap ng magandang or magaling na tauhan or magaling na empleyado. Okay? Pero kokonti lang talaga ang mga ganong empleyado. Kaya minsan nagbabargain na ang mga company, okay? Or nakikipag-bidding na ang mga company for that. Okay? So yan, becoming more connected, we can now use the internet and World Wide Web or yung www. Okay, to connect people with people as never before. Okay? So ngayon mas madali na. This is actually the solution for the challenging trends. Okay? Mas madali na ang mag-advertise, madali na ang mag-publicize ng mga product, ng mga services natin because of the new trends in the internet or in the net. Okay? We are becoming more connected na not only in the Philippines but even outside. So, mas lumalawak yung networks natin. Okay? Now, becoming more global, we can now tap into the more global suppliers and global talent. Whatever a problem a manager faces, someone in the world probably has the innovative products and knowledge or the talent to address the problem. Okay? We are actually becoming more global na. Okay? Pag sinabi natin more global, nakakahanap na tayo ng mga products outside of the Philippines. Okay? Salamat Shopee. Yan. Okay? Because of Shopee and Lazada, nakakahanap na tayo ng mga walang kahirap-hirap. Ay nakakahanap na tayo ng mga suppliers natin, nakakahanap na tayo ng mga mga gamit na wala dito sa Pilipinas at meron sa ibang parte ng mundo. Okay, because of this because of those apps or those companies na nagpo-provide nun. Okay? So we are more global in sense. Okay? Now, another solution trends, becoming more mobile. Penetration of mobile phones is changing the way we do business because people are more connected and able to share more information. Kung before, bago kayo makapag-decide on a certain or makapag-come up with on a certain decision, kailangan nyo munang mag-meeting. Kailangan nyo punta sa opisina, mag-meeting. Pero ngayon, kahit wala ka sa opisina, pwede kayong mag-meeting because of meron na tayong Gmeet, meron tayong Zoom, meron tayong Messenger. Okay, so we can call one another face to face na makikita mo talaga yung reaction ng mga tao. Okay, so that's another solution. That's part also of the technology na meron tayo ngayon. Na yung tinatamasa na natin ngayon or nagagamit na natin ngayon. Okay, another solution trends natin is rise of the creative class. Okay, with blogs, Flickr, and YouTube, anyone can post their creative efforts. So, marami ng mga ideas ang lumalabas. Okay, marami na tayong makukuha ng mga ideas because of this creativity ng mga bagong nilalang. Yan. Okay? And with the open source and wikis, anyone can contribute ideas and insights. We have ubiquitous opportunities for creativity that are nurturing the new creative class. Okay, so dahil sa technology din, dahil sa net natin, yung mga creative class na yan, when we say creative class, ito yung mga bagong henerasyon. Okay, bagong henerasyon na mas marami ng mga ideas, mas maraming, kung mapapansin nyo sa YouTube ngayon, ang dami ng mga lumalabas ng mga ideas for blogs, ideas for para meron mo lang mapanood ng mga tao, which is that makes them or make it monetize. Okay, so parang yun na yung pwede nilang gamitin para in case na wala silang trabaho, yun na yung pagkakitaan nila. Okay, pero dapat you have to be, dahil pag sumikat ka sa YouTube, or sumikat ka sa Facebook, you have to be very responsible, okay, with your creativeness also. Okay, and then increasing collaboration. This solution trend combined to foster a rise in collaboration across space and time. We can now bring more people together to solve more problems quickly. One good example is yung mga sikat na mga vloggers sa YouTube. Kung papansinin mo, usually meron silang mga kanya-kanyang YouTube channel. Meron silang mga kanya-kanyang Facebook account. Ang ginagawa nila para mas sumikat sila at mas kumita sila, they collaborate. Let's say for example, si Tim Sawyer at saka si Wamos, napanood ko minsan, nagsama sila, they do collaborations para mas kumita sila. So nasa sa kanila kung paano yung pag-uusap nila when it comes to the monetization. Okay, same as true with our industry. We do collaborate with um, other companies and other uh, businesses in the industry, okay, para ma-solve agad yung mga problema na that arises in our company or in a certain company. Okay? So ganun ang ginagawa nila. Okay? Sorry. To design new products quickly and make sure they meet the customer's needs, companies are now looking beyond their four walls for innovation. So instead of having the creation or innovation inside their building, inside their company, they're going out. Okay, nag-outsource sila. Okay, para masolusyonan yung trends. One good example. Okay, one good example would be ang mga BPO companies before, wala pa dito sa Pilipinas niyan. Okay, meron yan sa United States, sa ibang parte ng mundo. Okay, meron yan. But because of they realize na mas mababa ang pasahod dito sa Pilipinas, okay, mas lesser ang salary compared to kung doon ka magtatrabaho. So what they did is they offered the country to open a business for BPOs that would create a lot of employment. Okay? So sa atin, mataas na yung binibigay ng mga BPOs na monetization or yung salary na binibigay nila sa mga tao ng Pilipinas. Okay, sa mga Pilipino. But basically, mababa pa yun. Mas mababa yun kesa doon sa binibigay nila sa United States. Pero dito sa atin, mataas na yon. Which is, totoo, mataas magbigay talaga ang mga BPO. Pero it depends on kung anong klaseng trabaho. Pero kung titingnan ninyo, ang trabaho nila or ang mga kinakausap nila would be yung mga tao from the United States. So, they are outsourcing manpower here. So, nag-outsource sila ng manpower dito. Parang instead of sila yung hindi na nila kaya doon, dito nila pinapasa lahat ng mga calls. Okay? Para ma-centralize siya. Or dito mas maraming makausap yung mga clients nila in the States. Okay? So, that's increasing collaboration. Okay? So, trends. It seems that trend tracking has become somewhat of a business. Okay? Meron na kasing mga tao na or mga businesses na they do this tracking of trend. Okay? And then they provide solutions, okay, para dun sa mga trends na yon. Okay? Wired to 2008 business trends, open source tycoons, social network grow up, green on the outside, invisible internet, rise of the entrepreneur, building a better banner, invented in China, VCs look for new life and human touch. Those are examples. So top business trends likely to have the greatest effect on business over. Competition for talent will intensify and become more global. Okay? Talent, when we say talent, ito yung skills na meron tayo. So, the competition becomes more intensified because globally speaking, okay, lumalaban na rin ang mga Pinoy, ang mga Pilipinas. Okay? Nakikipag-compete na rin in the international market ang mga Pilipino because of mas kailangan na, especially in our industry, mas gugustuhin nilang kumuha ng mga talents dito sa Pilipinas because of especially sa hospitality industry, because we are born or it's in our nature to become hospitable. Okay? Next would be centers for economic activity will shift globally and regionally. Okay? Yung mga sentro ng ekonomiya, nag-shift yan globally at regionally. Okay, lumilipat-lipat. Dati ang Cebu hindi siya economically stable. Okay, pero ngayon kung papansin niyo, isa na siya sa mga sikat na city dito sa Pilipinas because of their economic standing. Okay? Technological connectivity will increase, of course, because of technology. And connection, of course, dahil ano to, nag-increase na or nagde-develop na ay ang connectivity natin or ang technology natin. Kung titingnan nyo dati, DSL lang ang connection natin, pero ngayon may fiber na. Salamat kay Converge at kay PLDT, nagkaroon na ng fiber dito sa Pampanga. Okay, o yan. Okay, now, ubiquitous access to information will change economics of knowledge. Okay, since the technology allows us to acquire information, of course it will change our knowledge, it will increase our knowledge, especially economic, in the part of economics. Okay, and then demand for natural resources will grow as will strain the on environment. Yun lang ang problema, if the natural resources, because of the products that we serve, comes from our natural resources, it will strain the environment. So we have to be ready for that, or we can do actions to change that, and hopefully we won't strain our environment. Okay, so sana hindi mangyari yon, kasi naranasan nyo na ang bagsik ng kalikasan. Okay, so pag yan bumawi sa atin, yun lang. Okay, sana maisip din ng mga tao na hindi lang basta gamit ng gamit sa mga resources natin. Kailangan din natin palitan yung mga resources para mag-maintain yung balance. Okay, so population in developed economies will age, of course. Kaming mga nasa pwesto ngayon, I mean kaming mga teachers nyo ngayon will age, and our training may be different from what you will train other people in the near future. Okay, consumer landscape will change, expand significantly. Okay, when it comes to consumer, of course, their needs and wants always change. Okay? It may change, yes, it will change, but also it will expand. Okay? Lalaki ng lalaki. Okay? Yung needs and wants ng mga, or demands ng mga consumer. So we have to be ready with that. And then role behavior of business will come under increasing scrutiny. Okay? Ito yung medyo side effect nun, or ng pagkakaroon ng mga positions or role in the company. Okay, kasi marami pa rin ang yung mga pag napunta na sa posisyon, yung posisyon nila pupunta sa ulo. Okay, so it will change definitely, but would be very much scrutinized, or wini-weigh nila, okay, yung roles and behavior. Okay, and then organization will become larger and more complex, of course, because of yung pagdami ng mga products, pagdami ng mga services. It becomes more complex, nagiging komplikado ang mga organization. And new global industry structure will emerge, private equity network. Okay? And then also, countdown of the biggest trends in small business, Web 2.0, rise of e-marketing, little is the new big, the new consumer. Okay? Fragmentation, the world is getting flatter, personalization, work anywhere, any place, global warming may put you out of business. So, ito yung mga trends for small businesses. Okay, so that's all for our discussion of 3.4. So, we'll continue discussing for 3.5. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. Enjoy your day. Have a nice night.